So, you've brought home a new puppy. It's one of the most exciting things ever. But let's be real, that adorable little ball of fluff is also a huge responsibility. In this explainer, we're going to walk through everything you need to know about puppy training. Our goal? To help you build an incredible, happy bond with your new best friend. So, let's dive right in. And believe me, it really is an adventure. This isn't just about teaching them a few tricks. Nope, this is about building a real partnership that's going to last a lifetime. And getting started on the right paw makes all the difference in the world. All right, so where do we even begin this adventure? Let's break down the very first steps that will set both you and your puppy up for some serious success. First off, why is training such a big deal? Well, it's so much more than just teaching commands like sit or stay. Think of it as the language you and your puppy are going to share. It's how you create that foundation of trust and understanding, right from day one. And look at how all this stuff connects, right? Good manners help keep them safe. And a safe dog is a confident and happy dog. And that, in turn, makes your bond with them even stronger. When you start early, you're not just dodging future problems. You're basically investing in a future that has way more joy and a whole lot less stress. Okay, so before that little furball even crosses your doorstep, there's a little bit of homework to do. Getting two key things right from the get-go can make your life so much easier. Finding the right puppy for you and creating a safe space for them to come home to. First things first, take a moment and be really honest with yourself about your life. Are you always out hiking and running, or are you more of a homebody? Do you have a big backyard or a cozy little apartment? Answering these questions is the absolute first step to finding a dog that will genuinely be happy with you. I mean, think about it, right? A super high-energy dog like a border collie is going to need a lot of space to run. But a smaller, more chilled-out dog might be perfectly content in an apartment. And hey, don't forget about mixed breeds. They often have the most wonderful, balanced temperaments. The goal here is just to find a puppy that really fits into your life, so you can give them the best home possible. Once you've found your match, it is time to puppy-proof. And trust me, puppies explore the world with their mouths, so start by hiding anything that could be dangerous. Then, lock down those trash cans. They are just too tempting. You'll also want to create a cozy, safe little spot that is all theirs, and maybe most importantly, give them tons of chew toys. This will save your shoes, your sofa, and teach them what they are allowed to chew on. Okay, the big day is finally here. Your puppy is home. Now, remember, this is a massive change for them, so your number one job for the first few days is to make them feel safe, secure, and loved. I know, it is so tempting to have everyone you know come over to meet the new puppy, but try to resist. A calm, quiet house for the first few days is going to help them settle in and learn to trust you. You'll have plenty of time for meet and greets later, I promise. A predictable routine is going to be your absolute best friend. Seriously, when your puppy knows what to expect, when they eat, when they play, when they go outside, they feel so much more secure. And for potty training, this is a total game changer. Frequent, scheduled trips outside are the key to success. And this is such an important reminder. It's really easy to forget that literally everything is brand new to your puppy. Every sound, every smell, every person. A little bit of patience and understanding from you will go such a long way in building that strong bond as you guide them through their new world. All right, now for the really fun part, teaching those basic commands. We're going to focus on a training method that makes learning a positive and super enjoyable experience for both you and your puppy. So what's the secret sauce? It's called positive reinforcement. And it's actually really simple. You just reward the good stuff. This builds their confidence like crazy and makes them genuinely excited to learn, which is, way more effective than using fear or punishment. But here's the catch. Timing is everything. You have to reward that good behavior the second it happens. If you wait even a few seconds, your puppy has no idea what they did right. That immediate reward is what creates that little aha moment in their brain. So what's in our reward toolkit? Well, enthusiastic praise like, good boy, is great. So is a quick little game of tug. But let's be real. When a puppy is learning something new, nothing beats a delicious, high-value treat. A little piece of chicken or cheese can be a seriously powerful motivator. Let's try teaching sit. This is usually the first one. Just hold a tasty treat near your puppy's nose and then slowly move it up and back over their head. As their head goes up to follow the treat, their butt will naturally go down. The moment it hits the floor, say sit and give them that treat. See? It's that easy. Now, for stay, this one takes a little more patience. Start by asking them to sit, then use a clear hand signal, say stay, and take just one single step back. If they stay put, even for a second, walk back to them and give them the reward. You're going to want to slowly, and I mean slowly, increase the time and the distance. And here's a super important pro tip. Puppies have the attention span of, well, a puppy, so keep your training sessions short and sweet. 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. Anything longer and they'll get bored or frustrated. Always try to end on a high note so they can't wait for the next session. Okay, so we've covered the basics, but now let's talk about something that's just as important as obedience: socialization. This is how you raise a dog who is confident, friendly, and totally comfortable with the world around them. Seriously, good socialization is like giving your puppy a superpower against fear. When they have positive experiences with new people, new places, and other friendly dogs early on, it teaches them that the world is a safe, fun place. This is absolutely key to preventing anxiety and fear-based problems down the road. So, where can you do this safely? Well, puppy classes are a fantastic place to start. A quick walk through a pet-friendly hardware store or even just sitting with them at an outdoor cafe can be a wonderful, low-stress way to expose them to all kinds of new sights and sounds. But listen, this is the most important part of all. The goal is positive exposure. This is not about just throwing them into a chaotic dog park and hoping for the best. Quality is so much more important than quantity here. You have to supervise every single interaction to make sure it's a good one. Your puppy is learning an entirely new world. And the best part is, you get to discover it right alongside them. This whole process is so much more than just training. It's the very beginning of an incredible friendship. So be patient, stay positive, and most of all, enjoy the adventure.